Let's see how to reverse a video clip on Premiere Pro. So for that, I've already imported a video file on Premiere Pro and brought it to a sequence. So let's play the clip first. So now, in order to reverse this clip, just select the video clip on your sequence and go to clip and click on speed and duration, and there you'll see a dialog box where you just need to check in the reverse speed and hit OK. Now if you just play the video, it will go backward, so you have to just reverse the video. You can do same thing on few different way. Let's just undo the change and just click over the video clip and click on right click. There you'll see speed duration, which will do the same thing. And you can do same thing with the shortcut key. Just press Command R on your Mac and Control R on your Windows, so it will bring the same dialog box. Now let's make it a little bit interesting. I'll just click on the reverse speed and make the speed maybe 200, so it will double the speed. So now if you play the clip, it will move faster. You can also make it slower. So for that we have to make the speed 50 and just play it. Now you just learned how to reverse a video clip on your Premiere Pro. Well done. Thank you.